Hey, welcome back to the channel. Non-consensual towing. It's what we do just about every day. Anyway, I got an impound back here, test drive. I just pulled into this property. They had 29 cars that were stickered. I think it's been 6 days since they were stickered, but they're towing today. They gave everybody as long as they could, and they're towing. So we're gonna go back here and hook this test drive. I'm gonna get wet on this one. Anyway, we got that one hooked. I'm gonna have to rearrange the chains. I don't like the way I got it hooked, but it's on the truck. I'll pull up here and adjust my chains to where I like them. A tag of Floyd. Oh. Rear wheel. That's a rear wheel drive. I'll go ahead and circle that one. We gotta come back and get that Sorrento right there. Somebody got tag a ploy. Like it's a ploy. Tag a ploy wrote on it. Oh man. I've actually got a Honda Pilot right here that I can do also, but it's all-wheel drive. Somebody actually left the key. They left the key in this car right here. This was probably a repo. They could have left it for a repo company, something like that, but we're gonna tow it on the next run, if not right now, depending on whether I can find another wheel lifter. I need to put one on the wheel lift, and we'll see what we can find up here. If not, I'll come back and dump the Sienna, and I'll wheel lift the Sienna after I load the four-wheel drive. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Anyway, rolling through here trying to find my second car, my wheel lifter, and they got a crime scene. There was just two men around this unit over here. I think they were investigators. Some kind of crime scene. They wasn't street police. They were looked to me like they were investigators. That's what happens who comes and looks up the burglaries. Burglary investigators come. They try to track down the burglars. Anyway, we're gonna keep rolling. I gotta get out and check this Honda Civic tag, see if they updated it. August 20. Yeah, we're gonna have to tow that one. We got somebody looking over here at me. I don't know what he's doing, but he's looking over here. La Plata. The tag, man. The tag's bad on it. It's got to go today. It's got to be towed. Property the management, they're towing them. The Civic, which ones are yours? You don't want it? Just take it. Okay. Hey, the Civic. Hey, that one's fixed there. They put a new tag on that one, but that one ain't put a new one on it. Huh? Yeah, they put a sticker. Yeah. It's no run. It don't run. Okay. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. It's stickered off and stickered it.
Okay, I want you to tell them.
Yeah, hey, calm down. Don't yell. I can't hear. Calm down off the rip. This is what I do. The office tows them, not me.
Okay.
The office, but don't yell at me.
Tell them that
well, listen, I understand you're upset.
Okay.
But hey, you calm down. Okay. Calm down. That's the best thing to do is calm down. All right, let me pull out with this one. I got to go to the office. I have to. Okay. Wait, it's got a test drive tag. It's towed because it's got a...
I want to get the tag there yesterday.
I understand it, but right now it's got test drive on it.
I've told them.
And it's, yeah, you told them, but they didn't tell me. They didn't update the list. But we'll talk to them. You may have to pay it out, but that's how the business is.
I have to do what?
Cars get towed.
I have to pay what?
Cars get towed. I understand you're upset, but we'll talk to the office.
No, listen to me. You said I have to pay what? I have to pay money.
You want to get it? Yeah. He wants to get his radio out. His car getting yanked too, man. It's just that's what they do. They periodically tow cars. He's got a 20 on his, and I understand your situation, but hey, the office is demanding the cars. They're telling me to tow them, so we tow them. That's just, it ain't nothing against you or. What's going on, man? You blocked in, man. Hey, I'll be pulling out. Hey, I'll pull out in just about. As soon as he pulls his radio, I'll pull out where you can get out. Okay. You know what? Hey, if you cut, you can probably cut it that way and pull up to here and it back in that spot right there. Appreciate it, man. Yep.
Go and call your daughter. Go and call somebody in the house. Call somebody in the house. Yes, call your daughter. Yeah.
Me house.
Okay, let me talk to this one.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the office.
No.
Yeah. No, it's this thing's towed, man. Both these right here are towed, man.
Huh?
But both these cars are towed. Hey, we towed because the property has them towed. They got hooked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We towed. Anyway, this other guy's got he's got a bad tag on it. He's got a test drive tag on his car. He wanted to know why he got towed. It seemed pretty obvious to me. If you got a test drive tag and you get yanked, you should know why. But it is what it is. Come running up on me. That was a pretty normal situation from some people. They run up and they come running up. You don't know what you're going to do. Hello. Hey, what's going on? Yep. Well, he brought it, but it's too late. It's on the truck. I mean, you can't wait till you get on the truck. It's got a test drive tag on it. It's already hooked. I mean, the way I'm gonna walk down there, but it's on the hook. Once it's on the truck, it's too late for it to show up with the tag and try to put it on the car. Office manager, office personnel told him to bring if he's got his tag, bring it up here, and we're gonna find out whether or not he's got a tag for that car. He was real pissed and real loud about it, which don't mean nothing to me. I get yelled at all the time. But nonetheless, he's gonna have to produce that tag, and they're gonna make a decision whether or not they'll let me tow it. We'll find out here in just a minute, because he went to his office. I mean, he went to his apartment to get the tag. We'll see what happens though. I hope I don't lose it, but it does happen. It does happen pretty often. And we have to drop cars. Unfortunately, it's been happening a whole lot recently because of the pandemic. A lot of cars have been getting let go. Office managers have been asking us to drop, which is difficult. You can't show up after it's already been towed, talk about I got a tag for it. That's not how this business works. But like I said, we keep the managers happy. We do whatever they want. So we'll see how this plays out, see what happens. I'm going back down here to the office. He showed up here, and we'll see if he's got the right documentation. Yo, hey, I got to pay out this guy. He tried real hard to get off the hook. Yeah. The office finally told him he's got to pay it. He ain't got no damn tag after he lied about it. Either way, I got his credit card right here, and he's walking up here. So I need you to run this card.
I will take it. I will talk to you.
Yeah.
I'll make a deal.
Well, that's really not. I mean, that's not. Hey, the office ain't gonna let that car stay here because it don't run. Anyway, he just paid the drop fee. He's actually all right. He's sending this car to Africa, and I've seen a lot of people make money doing this. This Toyota Sienna is worth more in Africa than it's worth here. So you ship them overseas and make money. Anyway, I'm not sure if everybody caught what happened. That gentleman, I can't video inside the offices, but I can keep my camera on and get audio. You know, they know most of them know I got a camera and I'm recording because I got a GoPro on my chest. Anyway, long story short, that particular guy, he went back to his apartment and went and got his car title, and he didn't have his tag. He told the girl in the office that he had already got his tag when he really didn't. He really didn't have his tag. He came back and told her he got the title for it, and then it's going overseas, and he's shipping it. He's gonna ship it to Africa, which is all good, except he didn't know he ain't really got a tag like he said he did. So I just paid out that Sienna and brought it back to his building right here. But this particular building, I've had problems with this particular building before. I hooked a car one time, and this young girl come out, and it was her car. Well, somebody in the apartment, well, next door to her, he came out, and he was basically told me to drop the car. I better drop it. He told me to just tell your boss if somebody put a gun to your head. He told me I better drop the car. I said, look, I ain't dropping the car. What I did is I called my buddy Tony. He was working with us at the time, and he was right down the street. Either way, he showed up with guns, and the guy that had threatened me had went back inside and got his pistol. He came out with his pistol, and when he came out, Tony was standing there. Tony had pulled up. When he came out, Tony had pulled up in his truck, and was sitting there looking at him dead in the face, holding the pistol. And he went back inside and put his gun up. Anyway, we towed the car. That's the way it works sometimes. We if that incident happened, and you know, people pull guns when they bring guns out. You know, it takes it to a different level. You got to be real careful when they start pulling guns.